Welcome to practical task number 2 on lamp and pulse width modulation, or PWM. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the training equipment and safety procedures. Inspect the layout and components available, particularly focusing on the PWM controls, the lamp connections, and safety features. Ensure you understand the placement and function of switches, dials, and connection ports, which are crucial for this task. Practical task number 2 begins by examining the provided diagram. Your objective is to connect an incandescent bulb, either L3 or L1. Begin by connecting the red wire from the positive power source to the positive red connector of the L3 bulb. Next, take the black wire, attach one end to the negative black port of the L3 light bulb, and connect the other end to the switch. Then connect another black wire from the free port on the switch to the green connector on the PWM. Once everything is connected, turn on the switch and observe the L3 light bulb as it lights up and begins to blink. Now, you can begin adjusting the parameters of the PWM controller to explore how changes in frequency and duty cycle affect the lamp's glow. As demonstrated in this example, setting the frequency to 1 Hz and the pulse width modulation to 20% will result in the light bulb shining brightly but blinking rarely. Then, by increasing the PWM to 80%, you'll notice that the bulb continues to shine brightly, but blinks even less frequently, maintaining a longer duration of brightness between blinks. Next, if you increase the frequency to 20 Hz while maintaining the PWM at 80%, you will observe that the bulb continues to shine brightly but begins to blink much more frequently. And then, if you decrease the PWM to 20%, the bulb will continue to blink frequently, but its brightness will significantly decrease. Then, if you increase the frequency to 60 Hz and set the PWM to 20%, you will notice that the light bulb barely shines and blinks so rapidly that it's almost imperceptible to the naked eye. When you increase the PWM to 80% while keeping the frequency at 60 Hz, the light bulb's brightness will increase, but the blinks remain so frequent that they are still nearly impossible to distinguish visually. In this practical task, students are required to complete the table and match their results with the answers provided in this image.